Okay, good morning guys and welcome back to another video. We have had a slight hiatus in videos for about a week and a half. I have been working on my new plans for 2020 and I wanted to wait until they were all done, all in place before I made a video talking about them. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and also like this video because I am about to provide you with a heck of a lot of information going into 2020. So I wanted to wait as close to New Year's possible to make this video because there's a lot of people starting Veganuary, which is basically a campaign where you go vegan for the month of January. So many people messaging me on Instagram about it. Of course, it's the new year, so people want to get fitter, healthier, all that kind of thing. So for those that do not know, I run a 12-week program that comes around seasonally, so 4 times a year on my community website, so veganAesthetics.co.uk, and the past like 3 months or so has been my sole focus has been on revamping this website, making it the best it can possibly be, and there are so many new features on it that I'm going to sit and talk about throughout this video, but I'm not going to do it right now. Pretty much the new challenge is going to come out on Monday the 6th of January. I just feel like this week, you know, by the time it starts New Year, Hug Me and stuff, is kind of the middle of the week already, and I know a lot of people have that whole attitude of when it's Monday, clean slate, start again. So the challenge starts on the 6th, which is on Monday, and with the challenge, what the new website looks like pretty much is that you get your 12-week challenges normal. So the site normally has 12-week challenges that are a vegan meal plan, a gym workout program and a home workout program. Both the workout programs are over 12 weeks and they're split into different phases, which you can find out more about if you actually sign up and join, and you can see what it's all about. You can actually sign up just now and you'll still be on the old website, and then as of next week it will flip over to the new one and you'll be able to download all of the new stuff. But if you signed up just now, you'll still get the current challenge that's going right now, so you're kind of getting 2 for 1 if you like, just to get an idea of what the challenge itself involves. But out with the challenges, we have now expanded the website to have different workout packs. So if you're not really feeling what's next in the workout plan, you can throw in an ab day, you can throw in some kind of different leg workout, you can mix it up, you can do full body if you're stuck for time across the week and can only do full body workouts. There's now the ability to build your own meal plan. So the website has over 60 vegan recipes that you can pull together and build your own meal plan and swap stuff out just depending on how you're feeling, because meal plans are great, but sometimes they're just there for inspiration, and at the end of the day you need to be able to adapt that depending on how you feel, how hungry you are, what you're actually craving, that kind of thing. So there's so many new features that I am going to sit down and talk about throughout this video, but for now I just wanted to let you know that you can sign up. First link in the description box. There's going to be a discount code for brand new members. The discount code is 2020 and it's going to be running until Sunday. So as of Sunday it stopped, and that is going to give you 10% off the website forever. So if you want to sign up, then please do that and use the code 2020, just 2020 when you do so, and you will get 10% off. So with that being said, I am going to dedicate this video to showing you what the website looks like, showing you how I use the plans. So I personally am going to be following the workout plan going into the new year. I just made a whole new workout plan, whole new structure, and it's something that is going to keep me on track as well. I'm going to stick to that, and I'm going to show you also like meals that are on the meal plan as well. So I'll be making pancakes when I come back from the gym and that kind of thing. But with that being said, I hope everybody had a nice Christmas if you do celebrate Christmas. Today's Hug Me. My mind is blown that it's the end of a decade and it's 2020 as of tomorrow. So I am going to go to the gym. It is early, hence my morning face. And I'll see you there.
Paradise is a place that's far from home. And lately all I ever see is everything I've ever known.
Lately I've been dropping ecstasy. Never done it, but I tried it just to see. Chasing freedom like I'm running out of youth. Ask myself what makes me happy, I can't seem to find the truth. People ask me what I do, I say that I'm chasing leave. I don't blame them, cause some days I think the same. Like I've been wasting my time, but I don't got no time to change. I done cheated every time I've been in love. chase the girl who doesn't care it all and hurt the one who does. I was raised to just forget about him, yeah, that's how I grew. Every year's a different state, every grade's a different school. Every couple years or so, that brought home a different mom. Brothers, sisters come and go, what the fuck's a family bond? I just wanna fly to anywhere but where we are. So take me away and take me higher, take me far, cause
paradise is a place that's far from home. And lately all I ever see is everything I've ever known. Paradise is a place that's far from home. And lately all I ever see is everything I've ever known.
and as of lately I've been breaking the law, chasing this money I'm not making every day at my job. Yeah, that's the evil that'll kill this race. Nobody feeling safe, kids concealing face, sealing fates just to fill a safe, robbing steal your vases while your face is in a pillar case. We in a gorilla state, chasing big gorilla state. Now we risking real stakes, ain't no time to film mistakes, ain't no extra reels it takes. Tell me how much reels it take to stop the cinema and the sins you administer, cause when it's finished you'll see these minutes are just miniature.
Does anybody else ever have really high expectations for what they're going to do with their face in the day and then just doesn't? I literally came back from the gym, haven't showered yet, put a pyjama top on underneath a jumper and curled my hair to make it look like I've actually tried to look awake this morning, but we haven't. I want to just go over the new website before I dive into lunch, which I'm actually going to have a smoothie because that is my life. I love smoothies. If you can see the colour of outside, in fact I might even just show you, I'll show you in a minute how miserable it is outside today. It's heartbreaking. It's taken me a while to actually sit down and just be. So for those that are wanting to know about the new Vegan Aesthetics relaunch, so Vegan Aesthetics was a concept that I created 3 years ago in March or May, I'll need to check that, but it was 3 years ago, and it was like my dream vision for the world, that it needed a place online for like plant-based and fitness coming together. So that's kind of why Vegan Aesthetics was created, and also just to give that community aspect as well, because I just feel like when you buy a guide online and you just have the guide and you just do it yourself and nobody sticks to it, well, most people don't stick to it, you kind of feel like you're doing it yourself, you kind of feel a bit lost, blah 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 blah. So the idea was to create a website that was as much of a community as possible, which a lot of people are now trying to do that as well. Like, it's just the whole idea of being in something together. So the original website came out with just 12-week challenges, which came out obviously every 12 weeks, so 4 times a year, and it's been that way up until this challenge. So the website has just had a full revamp, so it kind of functions like an app now. So I'm going to do overlays on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. It functions like an app without it actually being on the App Store yet, because we've not kind of got that far for New Year, but it will be coming very very soon. So for now you can just add it to your home screen and it basically functions like an app. So you can either download the 12-week challenges or you can just use them on the phone the way it is. So the idea of the 12-week challenges is that you get a fully plant-based meal guide, which is obviously Monday to Friday, 3 meals a day, and it shows you obviously all the ingredients and everything and how to make it as well. So fully plant-based meal plan, which was what my kind of main goal with the website was, that it had to be vegan, it had to be plant-based, and just show people that you don't have to eat salad to get shredded, and nor do you just eat salad when you're vegan either. Personally, I don't eat salad ever, so there's that. And then also there is a full 12-week gym workout plan, which is weight training based, and every single workout had like a video on it. Now because it's all functioning like an app, you can actually click through it as if you would on an app. So you can click the workout you want to do, it tells you how many sets, how many reps, there's timers, there's rest timers, there's how you're feeling before, how you're feeling after, rate the workout so you can share it with other members and people can see, right, okay, so such and such like that workout, I'm going to give that a try. And also so that we can see actually people aren't really liking this type of workout, they prefer this type of workout. It gives us feedback as well to be able just to make it better and better every time that we revamp or relaunch and make any kind of changes. So out with the gym workout program, there is also a home workout program as well. That was something that was introduced maybe about a year and a half ago because so many people were either stuck for time and can't go to the gym, people are full-time parents, people are full-time students, or people just can't afford to go to the gym. There's just so many reasons why people want to work out from home, which is absolutely fine. Personally, I don't work out from home, but that's because I can, you know, drop my work right now and go to the gym for an hour if I really wanted to, and then just come back and recommence as well. So the gym has always been something that I've made a priority in my life. It's just something I enjoy, it's my me time, it's just, I have to make time for it. 5 times a week, I have to make time for it, or else I don't function as a human being. So each to their own. If you prefer home workouts, then we also have that as well, and we try and mimic the gym workout program as much as possible. So most of the exercises are the same or as close to as possible what you can do with bodyweight and dumbbells as well. So the only thing you need for the home workout program is a set of dumbbells that you can get at TK Maxx, Amazon, anywhere like that. Mine were £15 and I've had them for like 4 years now, just to have at home for, well, home workout plans, because I used to do home workouts. So yeah, that's kind of like the 12-week challenge part of the website. So the point in 12-week challenges, I know a lot of people ask me that as well, is why don't you just have a guide that people can just use over and over again? What is the point of the 12-week challenges? For me, I feel like it's so important for people to understand that fad diets do not work. 12 weeks is not long enough for you to get your dream body. Will you make progress? Of course you will, it's 3 months. But it's so important for people to realise that, you know, for most people that you follow on Instagram, it took them a minimum a year to get to where they are. All the Fitspos that you follow, blah, 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 blah. I have personally been working out my whole life. I have been going to the gym for over 4 years now. It's not just an overnight quick fix and then that's you're done type of thing. So the idea was for long-term consistency, people to have something to stick to. So if you have 12 weeks and you do that, and then a lot of people either plateau or they get a bit bored of doing the same thing after that length of time. Thus we then introduce a new 12-week program, and we do that 4 times a year, and we do that year after year. And so people always have fresh content, they always have something new to start, always a new challenge. And I feel like if you have a challenge, you have a goal, and you have something that's kind of changing with you over time, you're going to be consistent and you're going to stick with it, especially when there's a community aspect where you can talk to other girls as well. So that is the main idea behind the 12-week challenge. But I also felt like the site could give more as well, so obviously things have to grow over time. So we have introduced now a whole new just like sections. So originally there was just a dashboard with the 12-week challenges, and every week I also post what's called Motivational Monday, which has recently changed to Monday Movements, and it's a cardio based challenge every Monday that just changes every week. So again, you don't have to go on a treadmill and run for half an hour, or you don't have to do sprints or something that I personally find tedious and I don't like to do. It's HIIT workouts that you do in less than 20 minutes, either from home or in the gym, and there's suggestions as to where to slot it on the workout plan, but you can also just add it in wherever you feel is best for you to add it in, because at the end of the day, it's your workout, it's your plan, you have to see what suits you. And also a Q&A once a week as well. So every Friday on the Facebook group I post about the Q&A and people comment questions underneath, and that way I can respond to people. It keeps me in the loop with people, it kind of gives that like interaction, not just a case of, oh, here you go, take this and that's you. I like to talk to people on the Facebook group. I like to see what everyone's doing. I love seeing progress pictures and just like hearing how people are getting on. So we do giveaways at the end of every challenge as well. So originally that's what the website looked like, but now there is going to be tabs, if you like. So there's 3 tabs. We have the workout section, the nutrition section, and then obviously the community section. So the workout section has the 12-week challenge, but underneath it, it also has workout packs. So we now have different workouts for, just say for example, you are you have university exams and you are so busy and you think, I cannot go to the gym 5 times this week or 4 times this week, I'm going to do 2 or 3 full body workouts instead. We have full body workout sections, we have lower body only, we have upper body, we have abs, HIIT, just workouts that don't fit into the workout plan as it is. We just have other options in case you just think, do you know what, I don't really want to do this workout, I would rather do this, I'd rather do that. It's kind of like more targeted workouts, if you like, if you just don't really want to follow a plan and you're just kind of going with how you feel, or you want to switch things in and out. With that being said, like I said, we also have like timers now, we have rep counters, there's like it tells you your set. It almost acts like an Instagram story where you click through and then at the end it will say workout complete, so you know when you've finished. And like I said, you can also give us feedback, let us know how you liked it and that kind of thing as well. And then there's also the nutrition section. So as I said, it used to just be a 12-week set meal plan, but now there is an option for you to build your own meal plan. So on the site now there are loads, I think I want to say over 60-70 recipes that you can now just, if you don't fancy what's on the meal plan for Monday, for breakfast you go, I don't want that, I'd rather have, so on, just say it's pancakes, you'd rather have a smoothie, or you'd rather have oats, or you'd rather have a savoury breakfast. You can look through the recipe index and just find something else that you want to make. You can also build your own meal plan. Yes, you heard me. You can build your own meal plan based on how you like to eat. So if you are someone that likes to snack, you can add in snacks. If you're someone that likes a savoury breakfast over a sweet breakfast, if you're someone that wants to just like mix it up and go by how you feel every day rather than having a set plan to follow, then you can do that as well. So I am so excited for this website launch. What's the word? This is my child. Vegan Aesthetics is my 3-year-old child that I just want to like nurture and make better and be able to give back to the planet and to everyone that follows me as well. So I'm trying to just do as much as possible to help people start a plant-based lifestyle, or even just make changes to their lifestyle. So whether you are brand new to the gym, whether you are like advanced and have been going for years like myself, if you are someone that just wants to work out from home, if you're someone that doesn't even want to work out, you just want to eat like vegan food, if you're someone that's vegan, vegetarian, pescatarian, if you just want to try veganuary, or if you just want to add in more vegetables to your life, whatever your reason is, then hopefully Vegan Aesthetics can help you out with that. So like I said, there is a discount code 2020. If you want to sign up, you can do so in the first link in the description box. I am so excited for this year. I don't know what it is. I hate people that talk about New Year's if it's some like brand new, you've just become a new person type of thing. But I have a feeling that 2020 is just going to be a glorious point in life. I don't know why, but I feel it in my bones. And you go with what you feel in your bones. So with that being said, I'm going to continue on the video. I'm going to make my smoothie for lunch. It's probably a smoothie I make all the time. It's just when it's on Vegan Aesthetics, it's not in the actual meal plan, it's just on there as a recipe, and then I will get to dinner with you guys. But thank you for listening, and I hope you guys join in the challenge. I hope you use the discount code, I hope you share it with your friends and family if you do enjoy it as well, and I look forward to seeing you on the app.
Fly to anywhere but where we are. So take me away and take me higher, take me far, 'cause
paradise is a place that's far from home.
So this video is already so long, so I'm just going to make a really quick dinner. So one of the recipes that I make from time to time, I eat pizza, of course, I am not an alien, I like pizza, but sometimes I just want to make something that resembles pizza but isn't quite as, unhealthy and off track of my goals. So if you just get tortillas, these ones are my favourite ones out of Tesco because they have seeds and stuff in them, so it's a bit more of something, and we're going to make pizzas from them. So I've just got salsa, I have a bowl of tofu that I have marinated in barbecue sauce, and then whatever vegetables you have. So I just have peppers, onions, chilies, and what is that? Broccoli. That is broccoli. Just put it all on a tortilla and put it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, just until it all looks like it's ready to go. And you're done. I also add a bit of mayonnaise after it. That sounds disgusting, but it's actually really good. You can put on cheese, you can do whatever you like. So that is what we're doing for dinner, quick and easy. Just get this video ended because it's like 20 minutes long.
And lately all I ever see is everything I've ever known. Paradise is a place that's far from home. lately all I ever see is everything I've ever known. Paradise is a place that's far from home.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I am really excited for this whole year and all the videos and content that I'm going to be making. If you want to check out Vegan Aesthetics, please do so in the first link in the description. Don't forget to use code 2020. We start on Monday. So be there. I'm going to say it, or be square.